my flooded room. Come over here. As you can see, there's water everywhere. And all of that, look at all of that right there is floating when I step. See how it moves? Most of my clothes are ruined, but the most clothes that are ruined is Anna's. Come over here. This is Anna's room.
This is my room,
and she got,
I had a bunch of clothes on the floor.
Yeah, so they were all soaking wet.
Yeah,
okay, now comes the bathroom.
This is the worst.
Flooded bathroom. At first we thought it was nothing, but then it's a big giant puddle. So, yeah, there's nothing in there. Now comes to the playroom.
This floating island.
Okay, let's go over here. This is the playroom for the daycare kids. And come make your way to the worst area. Okay,
Under the stairs. Wait, here.
Oh, wait, Anna will do it, so she's wearing boots. But yeah, that's floating octopus. So yeah, this part right here is super wet. So yeah, that's our floating weather in Minnesota. Rochester, Minnesota. It's pretty bad. Oh yeah, we should show them the laundry room too. Here's the laundry room. There's the drain.
And all the water's from the bathroom.
Yeah.
Going in there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like Minnesota water weather. Flood thing to pick up.
Alrighty, tidy.
Okay.